Hi. I want to show you something today, but make sure, warning, don't try at home.
Don't you dare!
Okay, because it's for the professional. Okay. This is a chair. You know, when you put something inside your stabbing, they will shed your bone.
Let me show you.
Okay, be careful. Yep, you see?
See? That hurt it.
They firing off everything like that.
Yeah, that even hurt my hand, but right
But
here,
don't
that's
worry.
right here.
Yep, so
Bye-bye! I'm the top boy. I wrestle.
okay. So never try to do something that stupid. We try to put a hand inside.
Yep.
But today, I want to try it. But remember,
Don't you dare!
don't try at home.
This is where you're using hand. I'm gonna run away first.
Okay.
Look, wait, I need to get my book.
Hey, Drago, should I try it?
Yes, I dare you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you help me count to 3?
1, 2.
Wait. I'm scared. If I hurt that hand, what happened?
I'll just wait until you're ready.
Wait till I'm ready. Can you watch me? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, one more time. Make sure. Don't try at home. This is stupid. Okay?
It's dumb.
If you put a hand like that, it will really hurt.
But he's a magician.
I have a professional. I'm tried that. Never put the hand on touching. Ah! No, I be good. Remember, I still have my hand. Okay. Remember, don't try it at home. Okay?
Now you
Okay.
didn't think of it.
Bye. See you next time. I need to run through the hospital now.